Down the path is, look.
I know. Whoa.
Hey, I tell you what.
It's never been this bad in my whole life.
Well, I've seen worse weather than this. I thought just lightened then.
Poor woman.
Silly woman not put a coat on.
I know. Oh, what about Kelly and Isabella?
Well,
Have you seen it?
Got wear it, attic.
Have you seen it now?
The attic is proper.
yeah.
Whoa.
That's the only thing with an attic bedrooms. I'll show her over there.
And his window was open back quite an inch, but it's still coming in. So only a bit, so I've opened the door to slam the door shut properly.
Good God. It's absolutely
Have you
muddy
seen that
down
woman
there.
over there?
It's like a bloody river down there, isn't it?
She don't even have an umbrella. And she don't even have a proper coat on.
Stephen's out and all.
Oh. Where is she?
Well,
The front shower, she's not sleeping.
Jesus. Even I nearly called it a river because it looks like it wasn't so much.
it's just pouring down the pavement, isn't it?
I know.
And there's on the bus and the people just dressed as dead summery. Because it's not cold out, but the dancing
You
down
could
like
have a
that.
shower in that.
No, streets have a shower.
Yeah.